Hey there, it's the Relationship Guru. Did you know that studies show nearly 1 in 3 people will experience a toxic relationship in their lifetime? And here's the hard truth. Walking away doesn't always mean you instantly heal. The emotional scars, they follow you. But here's the good news. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to rebuild your self-worth, trust again, and create healthier connections. Let's dive in. Let's get real. Toxic relationships often leave you questioning your value. Maybe you've heard things like, "You're not good enough," or been made to feel guilty for wanting basic respect. Over time, this chips away at your confidence and trust, not just in others, but in yourself. Here's a surprising fact. Psychology Today reports that people who leave toxic relationships often experience symptoms similar to PTSD, like hypervigilance, self-doubt, and emotional flashbacks. That's why healing isn't just about moving on. It's about rewiring how you see yourself and love itself. So let's break down proven steps that will help you truly heal. Tip number 1. Rebuild your self-worth through daily affirmations. Start small. Each morning, write down one thing you love about yourself. It might feel awkward at first, but research shows affirmations actually rewire neural pathways, strengthening self-esteem over time. Tip number 2. Set boundaries without guilt. One of the biggest mistakes people make after leaving toxicity is jumping into another relationship without setting clear boundaries. Boundaries aren't walls. They're filters that protect your energy. Ask yourself, what behaviors will I never accept again? Then stick to them. Tip number 3. Reconnect with safe, supportive people. Toxic partners often isolate you. Healing means reintroducing yourself to safe relationships, friends, family, or even support groups. Social connection is proven to regulate stress hormones and rebuild trust in others. Tip number 4. Practice emotional regulation through mindfulness. When triggers pop up, your brain may slip back into fear mode. Mindfulness practices like deep breathing, meditation, or even a simple grounding exercise. What can I see, hear, touch right now? Calm your nervous system and give you back control. Tip number 5. Seek professional support when needed. If the wounds feel too deep, therapy can be life-changing. Cognitive behavioral therapy, for instance, helps reframe toxic beliefs into healthier ones. Remember, healing is not linear, and asking for help shows courage. We've just discussed one of the biggest mistakes people make after toxic relationships, jumping back in without clear boundaries. But how do you avoid repeating old patterns? Stick around because the next tips will show you how to break the cycle for good. And if you want more powerful strategies to build stronger, healthier love, hit that subscribe button now. Decode love. Empower connection. Here's the truth. Healing isn't about erasing the past. It's about reclaiming your future. Toxic relationships may have broken your trust, but they don't define your worth. In fact, research shows that people who consciously heal after toxic love often develop stronger emotional intelligence and resilience than ever before. Imagine this. Instead of replaying painful memories, you start using them as lessons. Instead of fearing love, you step into it with wisdom. That's the transformation waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Healing after a toxic relationship takes time, but every small step brings you closer to the love and peace you deserve. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more relationship advice every week. Master your mind, unlock your peace. See you in the next video.